for the apple, B for the burger, C for the chicken.
7.
1 or 7?
7.
Go.
5.
Yeah, good boy. No, yeah, wow. So you got 3 or 5?
5.
Go. Where? 5 is white. Huh? 3 is red, 5 is white. Yeah. Where? And then 3 or 5? Where?
5.
5? Right, 3's, Han. Number 3. 3. You. No, that's 1. 3. Let's have a look. Yeah. Do you want here or here?
Here.
Here? Okay. We can go this way. Okay? Yeah. No, you can go here like this. Okay? So 7 or 3. Oh, 7 or 3. Teacher make? No. So I don't have any. I have to pick up here. 3, no. Because I don't have any. I have to pick up. Right? And then 3 or 7.
7.
Where?
This from the
Yay! Nothing or right? 3 goes here. Good. Okay, good job. Han, 9 or 4?
9.
Go then. Oh. You got 9 now. Oh, no. Okay. 4 or 4? 6 or 4? Orange or green? 6 or 4?
Orange. Go. Orange.
Where?
Go.
Yeah? Huh? No. This is 6, not 8. 6. Pick up. No.
6.
Yes, good boy. You got 1 left. Huh? You can't put it back. Cheaty. So we got 8 or 4. No, I don't have 8 or 4. Come on then. 8, I can see. Yes.
I cannot eat here.
What have you got? 1 left? No. Here's yours. 1 or 4. Ah. Good job. Right.
A for the apple, B for the burger, C for the chicken.